Welcome to my weekly calendar checklist Girly Aesthetic Lite version. If you want a personalized cover photo like mine with "Welcome back, dear" and your name, you simply have to follow this procedure. First, subscribe to my newsletter, Maximizing Efficiency, your Notion guidebook. Second, send me an email with the following: the name you want on the cover photo and the proof that shows you have successfully subscribed to my newsletter, like the example down below. When you subscribe to my newsletter, you'll receive an email prompting you to confirm whether or not you still want to continue. And when you say yes, you'll receive a confirmation email. As soon as I receive your email, I will make your cover photo and send it back to you so you can update your dashboard. At any time, you can check the FAQ and get some of your questions answered. If you still have questions related to the use of my template or Notion, you can send me an email at my handle. You can find my latest Notion templates by clicking on this button. When you click on the button, a prompt will appear asking you to click on the link above or cancel. Quick note, make sure you click on the link above so you get redirected to my templates. If you do not want to see my templates, simply click on cancel. I added the option to subscribe to my newsletter on the template info without being redirected outside Notion. You can also follow me on X, YouTube, and Instagram. So back to our template, we have the calendar view and the completed tasks view. We also have a page called Archive that we will use in a few moments. We also have the database of the weekly calendar checklist. Do not erase it because it's linked to all of our views in the dashboard. To delete a task, you simply click on the chosen task. Look for the three dots on the top right corner and choose the delete option. It has now been removed from your calendar view and also from your database. Now let's create a new task today, May 16th. Let's call it Cook Dinner and choose a fitting icon for our task. We can also choose to put the time. This is optional. On the second line, we have our task status drop-down list. Next, we have the tasks tags where you can choose the category your task belongs to. If it is not already in the drop-down list, you can start creating one. If you want to change the color, click on the three dots when hovering on your category so you can select the one you like. Now, concerning the task state, it is related to the date in which you created your task. If it was yesterday or days before, it will show as number of days overdue. And if it's a date in the future, it will show as number of days to go. Back to our task status, we can choose from the drop-down list depending on the nature of our task at the moment or leave it empty. Quick note, you can choose to leave this option empty as well as the task tags. When we click on the accomplished task category, it changes from due today to completed. It now shows that our task has been completed. You can also check the completed tasks table if you like. If we feel like we are too overwhelmed with the number of tasks on our calendar view, we can archive them as to keep a neat view of our dashboard. Now, we reached the end of the tutorial and I have some tips for you. In order to keep a neat calendar that is not clustered with tasks, you'll have to use the archive, and I will show you how it's done by the use of filters. First, hover on the calendar and click on the filter icon. Then, choose Add to Advanced Filter, then select Turn into Group. Choose your first filter when Accomplished Task is not checked. And for the second filter, select the option and, right after, choose the filter when Archive is not checked. Now let's add filters to our Completed Tasks view. When Accomplished Tasks is checked and Archived is unchecked. Now that everything is set up, if we click on Accomplished Task in our calendar view, it automatically disappears and goes to Completed Tasks. Let's clean out our calendar. We can create another task if we wish. Back to our completed tasks, we can go through the same process. However, for this procedure, all of our tasks will go straight to the archive. You can click on the archive and see all your tasks. If you have any question regarding this template, you can ask in the comment section. Take care.